Sometimes you just want to meet new people. Going out and networking, especially in Hollywood, can be very daunting. So instead of the term networking, we're going to use making friends because that's what we're actually doing. But if you live in LA and you don't want to drop all of your coin, what are some of the best happy hours where industry pros and celebs can be spotted? Let's talk about it. Hi there, Honey Bunch. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Who the hell am I? I am Nico Austin Smith, and you may have seen me here. I make videos about what the true pursuit of an acting career is like, so that you don't have to struggle or be completely surprised along the way. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's continue on this acting journey together in support of one another. So here's a list of some great happy hour spots that I've personally been to and have made some friendships along the way. Don't worry, we're going to cover a couple different neighborhoods in Los Angeles. Number one is La Boheme. I love this place. It's located in Beverly Grove. They have an all-night happy hour starting at 5 p.m. Monday through Friday and 4 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. Their drinks are strong and awesome. Their ambiance is so beautiful, and there's usually somebody there that you'll want to talk to. But you may want to make a reservation. Number two, Oi Bar. We're bringing it back to the Valley. Oi Bar is located in Studio City. The chef at Oi Bar is super dope. Their happy hour is a late night one. So let's say, oh, you work late. Oi Bar has got you with their late happy hour starting at 10 p.m. No reservation is required, but it is more of an intimate space. Number three, Jones. This was my go-to spot. It's located in West Hollywood. They also offer a late night happy hour starting at 10 p.m. Their pizzas are so good. They have a large back room. No reservation required. Tatler. Okay, as I'm doing my research, I saw that this place is actually closed down, but I loved it so much. If they ever reopen, I'd highly recommend going there. They're located in Beverly Hills. Number five, Lowboy. Located in Echo Park. This place is more divey, a little more casual. They have a happy hour Monday through Friday from 4 to 6 p.m. And last but not least, Simonette. This place is so beautiful. It's nestled in Culver City at the Pali Hotel. Their happy hour runs every day from 3 to 6 p.m. They have $7 wines by the glass, $8 cocktails, $8 cocktail of the day, plus a ton of happy hour bites for under 10 bucks. Really can't beat that. So here's a list of some others that I haven't yet been to, but I've heard really great things. So if you've been to any of these happy hour spots, please comment down below and let me know what your go-to is. Lemon Grove, Beverly Bar at the Beverly Hills Restaurant, Granville, and the Den on Sunset. Happy making friends. Happy saving your coin. If you found this really short and sweet video helpful, please leave a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in a new video Thursday after next. Bye.